Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get to round 100 in Black Ops 6 Zombies. To start, focus on maximizing your points in the initial rounds by using your knife and headshots. Your first two perk purchases should be Juggernog for increased health and Speed Cola for faster reloads. Aim to pack a punch your starting weapon to at least tier 2 before round 10, significantly boosting its damage output. Unlocking the entire map early is also crucial for accessing all resources. For your loadout, a high-damage assault rifle or light machine gun is ideal for sustained fire against hordes. Complement this with a powerful wonder weapon, such as the ray gun, which excels at clearing large groups of zombies quickly. Remember to upgrade your chosen field upgrade, like Ring of Fire or Frenzied Guard, to tier 5 for its full potential. Optimizing weapon attachments for critical damage and increased ammo capacity is also vital for efficiency. Effective zombie training is paramount for reaching round 100. Practice gathering zombies into a tight group, allowing you to eliminate many at once with a single weapon burst or wonder weapon shot. Always use the most open areas of the map for your training routes, ensuring you have ample space to maneuver. Constant movement is key. Never stop running to prevent being trapped. Identify choke points to funnel zombies for efficient takedowns. Selecting the right perks and equipment is crucial for long-term survival. Beyond Juggernog and Speed Cola, prioritize Quick Revive for self-revives, Stamina Up for faster movement, and Deadshot Dequery for improved accuracy. Tactical equipment like monkey bombs or decoys are invaluable for escaping tight situations or setting up kills. For lethal equipment, Molotovs or Semtex grenades provide excellent area of effect damage against large groups, helping you clear the horde.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.